Hi all, Sarah Traub here with Silhouette Crazy Crafty Group on Facebook. And this week, oh my gosh, StarCraft launched their glitter line. And I am super excited about these awesome glitters. And today's video, I wanted to show you the chunky glitters that they currently offer. So I wanted to give you that up close and personal view. All these glitters are available on the 651vinyl.com website. You can purchase the whole StarCraft line there. And I have personally tested these colors on tumblers, Christmas ornaments. This is a tumbler. This one's I'm not quite finished with yet. I haven't put, but this is the Mermaid Kisses color. So I'll go ahead and pull that one out now. This is one of my favorites. This is Mermaid Kisses. And this is kind of an opal-y. Now this one is actually a little bit transparent, and I'll let you see. Look at this. You can kind of see those colors just up close and personal here. So I'm going to get this off my hand. Give me just a second. All right. And then this is the rest of the colors. I'll show you those. This is Sunkist Coral. Oh my goodness. Coral is my favorite color. And this one has oranges and yellows and coral reflecting up off of it, picking up in the light. This is Miami Flash. And this is kind of a white with like a kind of silvery mirror shine to it. It is a very unique white color. I love it. Now, this is Vitamin C. And though this one's not a mixture of different sizes, it is larger than the standard size glitter in most of their solid colors and their holographic and neon lines. So this one's put in their chunky category. This is Vitamin C. Really beautiful blue color. This is Gone Coastal. And this one actually has some non-uniform size pieces in it. So a lot of them have like the hexagon shape to them. And this one actually has some hexagons in it, but it also has a mixture of non-uniform size shards, glitter shards in it. That is Gone Coastal. Very beautiful color. Now this is Rainbow Fin. I love this one, y'all. Check out all those colors reflecting in the light. Beautiful. This next one is Sea Beauty. And I see beauty. I see beauty in this bottle of glitter. Absolutely love this. Is blues, greens, opals. This one's another one that has a slight transparency to the glitter. There is Pineapple Pizzazz. Check that out. Oh my goodness. Beautiful yellow color. Love it. There is Glitzy Fish. This is blues and kind of tealy green color. Beautiful chunky mix. Check that out. Beautiful. This is Kraken Hugs. And this is another one where it does not have a bunch of different sizes in it, but it is larger than the standard size that they have. Their 1/128th fine glitter. It's a little bit larger than that. And this is kind of a pewter color, like a pewter silver. Beautiful. This is Stay Salty. Stay Salty is kind of a periwinkle color. There's some little bit of green shimmer to it. Very pretty. There is Beach Bum. This is kind of a rose gold chunky mix. I love this color. And then there is Pirate's Cove. Pirate's Cove is a gold chunk. Now, my bottle kind of has little pieces sticking to the outside. So let me go ahead and open this up. I'll just take the lid off and show you the inside. And you can just see those different colors in there. Just those chunky mix of different sizes in there. This is Pirate's Cove. And the last two I'm going to show to you together. So this is Don't Be Coy. And this is Sand and Serenity. And these are kind of similar sizes, but this one is more of like the silver and a really light gold color with a rainbow shine to it. And this one is Sand and Serenity. It's kind of a darker gold with a hint of rose gold to it. So I wanted you to be able to see the difference in these two. It's very, very pretty colors. Ugh, check that out. Beautiful. Well, all these again can be purchased at the 651vinyl.com website. There may be updates to their site on what's available as far as selection that may update after I post this video on YouTube. So check back there for more information. These are absolutely wonderful for a variety of crafts. It's a polyester glitter, and it can be used for acrylics and tumblers and glitter ornaments and paper crafting too. I've actually used some myself for paper crafting. So anyway, thank you for joining me while I showed you the StarCraft Chunky glitter line. Bye!